Hi, I'm Maria Anamladi, Gather School Batch 11 of Team Unity International, and this is my feedback video. First of all, I would like to thank our founder, Sir Sergi Mabrodi, for his ideology, biography, evolution, and how it works in MMM. Also, I would like to thank our mentor, Sir Lee Pajardo and Ma'am Sarah, and my teammates in Philippine Guider School. As I study our task, I came across the video of fleas and how to train them. That a group of fleas are placed in a jar, and after a few days, the fleas form inside the jar. And even the cap of the jar was removed, the fleas did not jump out of the jar because they were trained and developed in that form. And even they reproduce their offspring will have the same attitude and behavior. So, gaya din po in this guider school, kung ano man yung na-train at natutunan natin, marapat lang na wag na nating kalimutan. And we should apply it in our lives. The ideology, biography, evolution, and how it works. And if we do that, together we change the world. Thank you.